It is definitely going to be interesting today because I want to go check the planets, the alignment of the planets. I don't know if it's going to happen, if it's going to be visible. It's pretty windy, moisty out here, but we also got to prepare for the big carnival that's going on. Okay, so this is the start of the day. I got 1 hour to get there and hope we're gonna see something if it's not too cloudy out there. I was ready for my new adventure. Probably 1 hour too early, but better on time than too late. I hope I will be the only one up there. I hope that's high enough. Okay, got the bike up there. We going up there, baby. Now, this is the first level. Think we need to check out that side. But you can go up there for even higher grounds. This is the second level. Views colder out here. This is the third level. This is the highest. No one up here right now. I need to check where the west is. I think the west up there says right there, Bill nach Westen. So that's the west. That's the north, east, south. It's pretty clear up there, so well, not too much, but let's hope with sundown we're gonna have more to see. Okay, that's the situation right now. I'll zoom in at f5.0. Let me go to f5.6. Okay, it's getting pretty exciting right now because it seems that I'm at a right spot right now. That's the west over there. See, that's where the planet should appear. It's a bit chilly, so I have to stay down for now. Probably in an hour or so they will start to show if there's not enough, or if it's not full of those clouds right there. I'm happy with that piece, but you know, it should get clearer. So that's where it should happen. I'm not happy with that part, and I don't know about that. And you know, I hope I'll see some come true, but I have to wait for 1 more hour before everything's gonna settle down and it gets a bit darker, and probably we'll see the plans. I don't know, but I have to use the iPhone for that. It's the only device to trust. I will try the cam for now. We'll have to wait. No matter what they told you, an explorer's life is not glamorous. So that part looks pretty okay for now, since I need to rise and see the planets, but that part over there looks pretty bad because you see. Oh my god, is that the sun? Wow. Recording on the iPhone right now because ooh, it's cold and too wet for my Sony right now. It is definitely getting cold and rainy. Check that out. Super windy right now. Check out the sun, man. This is the 48mm. We going down with the ISO 320. It's probably not gonna happen because you saw that part, right? That's like full of wind and rain and see mist everywhere, so it's kind of scenic right here. But damn, we'll miss the planets. I really hope it will chill down because the rain's stopping a little bit, but we need a view over there. How's the sun looking on the GoPro? It should be dark in about 10 minutes, and then probably, if we're lucky out here, if I'm lucky, the sun is almost down right there, and maybe, very maybe, I'll see the planets and share it with y'all, but not sure yet. I don't know if it makes sense to use my camera, but this is what you can see right now. This is how it looks all around me. What was that? That is not funny.